Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how we are going to use PyTorch for developing our deep learning models. And PyTorch is one of the most popular framework for Python that support the programming of deep learning, and it's the very demanding programming framework for the researcher that want to modify the existing models or try to develop their own. So it supports your GPU programming. So let's see how we are going to download this programming language. First of all, you need that is Python version, which is higher than 3.8. You can download any of the version which is higher than 3.8, and it will support the working of PyTorch. So if we want to download the PyTorch, we have to require following things. So you go to this page that is pytorch.org, and here you will see you can set the settings for your PyTorch that is according to your system requirement. So we need that is stable PyTorch, and my operating system is Windows. So I would like to install it with the help of pip command, and I would like to work with Python, and the CUDA or the Cudatoolkit would that PyTorch supported is 11.8 and 12.1. So the GPU in my system is 3090. So 3090 support all kind of toolkit which is higher than 11.8 and 12.1. So we will download Cudatoolkit 1.0, and we will download it for Windows. And my version is 10, and I want to download it locally. Let's download in softwares. Let's complete this download, and then we will be back. Download has been completed. Let's run this Cudatoolkit. And we want to install in D. That is my program file, program data. Okay. Here we will create So I agree. It will take some time for installation of NVIDIA CUDA 12.1. Now installation is almost completed for NVIDIA CUDA 12.1. Now it's completed. Now let's see how. So to install PyTorch, what I'm going to do, I will create a new environment, PyTorch _ experiment. And I will going to write that this version of PyTorch is basically support GPU. So I would like to have 3.11.7 Python version, and then I will create the environment. So it will take some time and it will set the environment for installation of Python, for installation of PyTorch. Now I'm going to open the terminal, and once the terminal is in open, and it will show me that this virtual environment is being created in C user/Z. So what I will type pytorch.org, and on this page I have the command. So I'm using PyTorch build, and the stable version. My operating system is Windows. With the package of pip, I'm going to install it, and the language is Python. And the compute, we are using CUDA 12.1 because we have installed this toolkit. And then I'm going to copy this command, and I will going to run it on the virtual environment. After activating the virtual environment, I'm going to type it, and it will automatically start the installation process for downloading the PyTorch in this virtual environment. So it will take some time for installing these dependencies. And once these are downloaded, we will have the version. Let's wait for its installation, and then we will be back. So now our installation has been completed. Let's see the install packages, like whether PyTorch is being installed or not. And we see the torch in this environment, that PyTorch GPU experiment. The CUDA version 12.1 is available, and it means that it's compiled with this version. So we can experiment it. Let's see using Jupyter, and let's install Jupyter. So now Jupyter Notebook is being installed. We will launch it. Once it's launched, let's create a new notebook, and I will select the kernel, and then we can write import torch, and let's run this. So it's mean the package is being installed without any error. And then we are going to write about to check either CUDA is available or not. So torch.CUDA is available, and let's run it. So it's showing that CUDA is available, true. So that is the tutorial that will help you to install PyTorch for GPU version. Thank you.